Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Senzo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Zandie Khumalo, the sister of Kelly Khumalo, did an exclusive interview with ENCA last night to address the murder case of Senzo. She told the channel that Senzo's wife Mandisa should too be investigated concerning the murder of Senzo. She also alleged that Senzo's mother should be considered a prime suspect, you guys. She said that she and her sister Kelly Khumalo underwent interrogations and had to go through lie detector tests, you guys. So why isn't Senzo's mom and Mandisa undergoing the same treatment? So without wasting your time, let me quickly insert a snippet of that interview.
Yes. But I guess it's one thing I also want you to understand is that anginayilo degree angilona futhi phoyisa, you know. But looking at this whole situation, makuthiwa khona umuntu oshonile endlini and umyeni kamuntu or boyfriend yomuntu, the first suspect would be obviously maybe the girlfriend or the wife. Ne? And in all of this, thina silandiwe for lie detector test, thina senzani, but no one has ever looked at Mandisa. No one. Thina wethu amafoni ayathathwa. Mandisa ifoni ayithathwa ngani? uMandisa ka-investigatewa ngani? Not so long ago, Senzo said on national television ukuthi she tried by all means to make sure ukuthi umshado kaKelly no Senzo does not happen, or amalobolo does not happen. Wahamba wayofuna umuntu wesichitho. So my question is, kuleyo Senzo leso, to what lengths did she go to make sure this does not happen? Is it even possible that maybe yena nomalokazana wakhe baletha abantu not necessarily to target uSenzo but to target Kelly to make sure that this does not happen? And also one of my other concerns is that the police are just fishing in one pond. Why can't we look at other avenues? Because sina 8 years manje siqulana naleli licala, but wonke umuntu ubheke in one direction. And aphumi answer kulo direction esibheke kuyo. Why can't we look at other people, look at other possibilities?